what does AI mean for pathology? I get asked this all the time. You're building products for AI products in pathology, and you're replacing pathologists. That's kind of actually people's assumption. I think headlines like this are misguided, aimed at the wrong place. For every dollar spent on direct patient care, we spend $2 on administration. Our healthcare system micromanages the experts it once revered, a system that extracts more time, piles on more documentation and clerical work, and protects against liability more than it protects its people and its patients. And we know what that looks like in pathology. Over half of pathologists don't have enough time to do their job well because of administrative burden. More than 85% of lab professionals report burnout tied to workload and operational pressure. Medicare reimbursement for common AP procedures is declining annually at an unsustainable rate. Technology's made incredible progress in the last 20 years, and it's accelerating. But the technology that was supposed to help us, in many cases, has added more layers instead of removing them. So against this backdrop, AI is not slowing down, but we do need a clear direction. And I think pathology faces a shrinking window, where the next wave of technology is going to do one of two things. It's either going to shift pathologists away from the center of clinical decision-making and relegate labs to a back-end service, or it could cut back on administrative work, reduce clerical burden, preserve diagnostic focus, and elevate the value of the practice for better patient care. Uncertainty is not the same as helplessness. That's something that Ethan Mollick said in a recent blog called The Thing about AI. We still have time to choose. And I don't have all the answers, but I'm here to work with you, try to shape what this looks like over the next few years. Because I do think if we manage this transition well, there's a very optimistic outcome for pathologists, laboratories, and the patients that we all serve.